day trip from Vancouver to Bowen Island. We're waiting for the ferry. Lane 69.
The sexual position.
It doesn't need explanation. They're kids on this ferry. Like, stop being.
How else do you think they make kids? Exactly.
Continuing with my painting. Oh my god, my brushes. I didn't wash from the paint and I was like,
It's cool. Just water it again.
like, it doesn't move. Painting in nature is so fun. Like it's super therapeutic.
Citrus weed from the trees that grow right here on the property.
Why is this? Look, it's more waterfront.
So I haven't been vlogging for 2-3 weeks. I just haven't been feeling motivated in a lot of areas in my life, and I have also been very self-critical of things that are going on in my life that are not moving as quick as I wanted, are not the way I wanted. And because of that, I was being very negative. And even with the videos that I put out, I looked at it and I'm like, oh, nobody wants to watch it, this sucks, and then you're horrible, like I shouldn't be doing this anymore, I'm not meant for it. But then a couple days ago I realized that no, I created these videos because it brings me joy. It's something I love to do. It is my hobby and it gives me energy, it keeps me inspired, and it'd be great if people love the video, but I shouldn't be creating video with the intention to get views. I want to create it simply because I want to share my journey, I want to document my life, and it's something that I like to do, and I trust that by me following what I love to do, maybe that will inspire other people to do the same. Also, I think I am going to delete Instagram app and TikTok app off my phone because I realized that during the past 2 weeks, these two apps are making me feel worse. It was affecting my focus on, you know, creating videos, doing things that I love. Like, I stopped doing things that I love because I'm just like mindlessly scrolling on my phone. Remove. Delete app. TikTok. Yeah, that's it. I just got back from the gym and I met Fernanda Ramirez. If you know her, she's a YouTuber. She's also lives in Vancouver. I ran into her at the gym that I'm going to, and she is just such a lovely person. She even said, let me subscribe to your YouTube channel. That literally made my days. She's such a beautiful, gorgeous, I just get really great energy from her. Not an aesthetic meal at all, but it's really good. I spilled honey on here a long time ago and I was too lazy at the time to properly clean it, so now it's kind of like a little stain. So now I'm gonna try to properly clean this and hopefully it will come off. Hello, it's a little bit later in the day now and I'm wearing the same t-shirt as yesterday. Yes, I do that all the time. Going to fold the laundry while watching a podcast episode. If you're watching till here, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you being here. And if you feel called to leave me a comment, if you like my video, I would love to talk to you in the comment. It always makes my day.
I'm beyond that theory.
Quando o piano já não quer mais tocar e as teclas pretas não saem do lugar, quando o corno inglês ter que ir pro xadrez.